In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can add a voiceover to your YouTube video. If you find it helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Let's get started. Here's a YouTube video I'm currently editing, and I want to add a voiceover to help explain certain parts. To do this, you'll need an editing software. There's a free app known as CapCut, which is available on a variety of different devices, including computers and smartphones, but any editing software will work. If you're using a Windows PC, just open up the Microsoft Store and search for CapCut and download it. Once installed, launch CapCut and click Create Project to start editing. This is a full-featured video editor that's great for adding voiceovers and other effects. First, import your video by clicking on this section and finding the footage. You can now drag and drop this onto your timeline. Position the playhead, which is this white cursor right here, to a point where you want the voiceover to begin. Then, click on the microphone that is just below the video to open the voice recording feature. Select your microphone input device, then press the red record button to start. After a brief countdown that will appear on the screen, record your voiceover. Once you're done, click stop. You'll notice that this voiceover will appear in the timeline once you close out the voiceover section. You can now move, trim, and edit the voiceover however you might want. You can also split or cut out parts as needed. If you are happy with everything, click export in the top right. You can leave the default settings as they are, choose where to save the file, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.